How does one install a SIM card in the vehicle tracker? This is the SIM card. It's a GSM SIM card. Use a pointer to press the yellow button that you see. This will eject the SIM tray. All one has to do is to pull it out. Install the SIM card in the manner shown. This is how the SIM card gets installed. The SIM card faces the bottom. This is how the SIM card is installed. Installation of the GPS antenna. Screw terminal, GPS, screw it, GPS antenna installation. GSM, the long pointed antenna is the GSM antenna. This antenna, the GPS requires to be kept in the upward direction. So wherever it has to be installed, it has to always face the sky. We will do the next video, we will show how to install the GSM antenna. Power connector. This is the power connector. This black interface gets in power connect installation. Now we shall proceed to see how to install this in a car.